are going to be talking about AliExpress. So this week, guys, is AliExpress week, and we are talking about how to use AliExpress. I'm answering some of your questions about AliExpress. We kicked off the week on YouTube where I went live talking about 5 tips for dropshipping success over on AliExpress. Hello and welcome in. So as you guys are coming in live, drop me a comment below. Say hello to your girl. Let me know that you're here with me this morning. And we are going to be talking about how to use AliExpress. And I know that it's a very, very basic question, but I did a little bit of research. Good morning to you. I did a little bit of research, guys. Hello, how are you? Good morning. And I found that a lot of people were actually asking this question. So I can't assume that anybody knows anything. Well, good morning, Janine. Welcome in, guys, as you are coming in live this morning. Welcome in, lovely. Please definitely drop me a comment below. So I am going to just paste a little something in here for you guys. Good morning, Blair. Good to see you. Good morning, Boo. Good to see you. Let me see. Hold on. And listen to me, I'm just repeating my words this morning because I'm crazy like that. But good morning, everybody. So if you don't know me, guys, my name is Dallas Gordon, ecomcashqueen.com. Guys, I am a motivational speaker and an expert business coach. What I do, guys, is I help entrepreneurs to dominate online selling as well as help business owners to increase online traffic, sales, and conversions. That's what I do, guys. So without further ado, we are going to get into it, how to use AliExpress.com. So guys, AliExpress.com is a Chinese marketplace, but they also now have plenty of products available that can be shipped within the United States. So some of you may be asking, why use China? And feel free to post any questions below. Thanks, Janine. Feel free to paste any questions below, guys, if you have any questions about AliExpress, and I will answer them here. So you can also sort products if you're within the United States as well. And I believe if you're in other locations as well, to see if products are available to ship within your state. Why is that important? And why do a lot of people want to understand AliExpress, whether or not it's safe to use? It's because it's based in another country. And some people are a little strange on making purchases from out of the country. They're not sure. There is a lot of fraud that goes on. There's a lot of fraud that goes on within our country. There's a lot of fraud that goes on outside of our country. So I think that a lot of people, hey, love, welcome in. I think a lot of people are actually just worried, period, about experiencing online fraud. I've experienced it before. Fraud ain't fun. I actually have a video on YouTube that teaches you, yes, it's worldwide. It can happen anywhere. Crime can happen right in your backyard. But you know how people are, Janine? They're afraid of the unknown. They're afraid of things that are outside of their own jurisdiction. And that's just how people kind of like are, right, guys? They're kind of biased to things, right, that are not within their own backyard, right? Like sometimes even with crime, for some reason you think your block is the safest and nothing could ever happen here, but you have crime happening right in your backyard, okay? So that's how people can be. Well, I've been using AliExpress, guys, for well over 10 years now. I've been using the marketplace very successfully. Have I had some disappointments? Have I had some mishaps on the marketplace? Well, of course I have, guys. Just like with shopping anywhere, at some point of time, you do experience different disappointments when you shop places, right? Let's say that Macy's is your favorite place, or Boscov's, however you say, I'm not going to try to say it, or different stores are your favorite stores, guys. And every now and then you may run into a bad customer service representative or a bad cashier or somebody who's on the floor who treats you not so good, right? You run into that. Hey, Daphne, welcome in. Thanks so much, guys, for spending this time with me. So, it's important to not allow one bad experience to run you away. I mean, Macy's can make me mad today, guys, or Nordstrom's can make me mad today, but I can promise you I will be shopping a month from now, okay? The same kind of goes for online. As long as it's not like credit card fraud or anything, you don't want one little poor experience to run you away. So AliExpress is a huge marketplace, okay, which is based in China. It's a Chinese marketplace, and different sellers come together underneath this umbrella to provide you different products, a wide range of products, just about anything, guys, you can find on AliExpress for a fraction of the normal retail cost. So I'm talking hair. A lot of you may have been there to buy hair. I'm talking furniture, wall decorations, jewelry, whatever it is that you want to get, that you want to supply in this marketplace, you can find it on AliExpress. So what it is, guys, it's broken up of a lot of different vendors. I want you to think about a mall, like when you shop at a mall. In a mall type environment, the mall is just basically a hub that holds all of the stores together. Well, AliExpress kind of functions the same way, guys. It's basically like a huge mall or marketplace where different sellers come together to sell items underneath of this umbrella. AliExpress is going to be the one that handles your payments and all that kind of stuff, not the individual sellers. And it's literally just giving these sellers a platform to sell on. It's no different from me and you selling on an eBay or an Amazon. AliExpress is that eBay and Amazon to a lot of the Chinese sellers. Okay, so what are the different things, guys, that you can do on this platform? You can use AliExpress to actually buy inventory for your business. Let's say that you have a local boutique store or salon and you want to also sell products. You can go to AliExpress and you can buy and purchase those products, ship them here, okay, for a very, very low cost, stock up your store and sell those things at a markup and make yourself a really, really handsome profit. You can do that. You can drop ship these items online. And many of you know about drop shipping. If you don't know about drop shipping, be sure to follow me across all my social media accounts. Follow me on YouTube. There's some basic information there. I also have a drop shipping course for newbies and an ebook which explains the process. So if you're interested in links to those, definitely DM me for those, okay? Or I'll drop comments below. So you can for sure drop ship the products from AliExpress. Very great day to you as well. Welcome in. You can do that as well, guys, okay? So one thing I do want to talk to you about with the drop shipping, as I kind of mentioned before, you can always sort your search results. If you're worried about drop shipping items from China where it may take a long time to get to your customers, or 2 weeks or more to get to your customers, lots of AliExpress sellers have warehouses in different cities. So you can kind of sort. If you're in the U.S., you can sort from within the U.S., or wherever you are, you can sort from within where you are and see who locally has products so that you can get them to customers quickly. Okay, so you can also drop ship products from AliExpress. Another way, guys, that you can use AliExpress is for your own personal usage. If you want to cut out kind of like the middleman, even though some of the AliExpress sellers kind of are the middleman, but at a very low and inexpensive price. A lot of my products that I have around here, guys, I might see it in the store. I might say, you know what, I'm going to check AliExpress for this and see if I can get this cheaper. And a lot of times, the very products that you see in the store have been produced by, of course, by Chinese sellers. So you can go right to the Chinese marketplace and buy your product for a lot cheaper and save yourself a whole lot of money.